Damaged grout doesn't just look bad. It can lead to costly repairs. That's why for 19 years, Denver families have trusted our family, Grout Medic Denver, for expert grout repair and regrouting. Whether it's your bathroom, your shower, or your backsplash, we can professionally restore your grout, making it look like new in one day. For 19 years, we've stood behind our workmanship, and with over 25,000 clients, Denver families know that they can trust us, Grout Medic Denver. Whether you have a big job or small job, let us use our premium materials and true craftsmanship to make your grout look like new again. Grout Medic Denver, restoring grout, restoring peace of mind. Schedule your free estimate today.